According to Adobe, today just 15% of enterprises are using AI, but 30% of enterprises said that it's on their agenda for the next 12 months. This could be anything from Amazon Alexa to robotic dogs to unmanned vehicles. 3/10 of businesses will be using some kind of AI in their day-to-day services. And in the next 4 years, by the time that we graduate, that number is projected to go up. I've done countless hours of research on this field because I'm a computer science major who intends to major with an AI specialty. And one of the biggest things I've learned from the research is that AI has drastically changed over the time. Today, I will go over first where AI started, then where AI is today, and then last, where AI is going to be in the future. First, let's talk about the history of artificial intelligence. How many of you know who John McCarthy is? Well, according to independent.co.uk, he is the father of artificial intelligence. He coined the term in a 1955 proposal for the 1956 Dartmouth Conference, the first artificial conference ever. And the purpose of this conference was to study ways to make a machine that could behave like a human, was capable of abstract thought, problem solving, and self-improvement. To this day, we don't have a machine that is capable of doing this. McCarthy and his team spent their whole lives trying to solve this problem, but they could not. They laid the foundations for the future innovation in the field. If McCarthy never existed, your phone would be 10 times dumber and would be set back by at least 10 years in the field. This makes me think about a friend of mine who always uses Siri to ask the simplest questions, like who is the president? And using Siri, it's like a second search. But if McCarthy never existed, then that search would take 10 seconds, which doesn't seem like a lot, but compared to the 2 seconds, it's a lot. Now that we've talked about the history of artificial intelligence, let's talk about the current state of artificial intelligence. Before I tell you the current state of AI, I have to tell you that real artificial intelligence isn't here yet. It's years away. The current state of AI, according to Infocog, is called narrow AI, which means that AI can produce meaningful results in a set domain. The two biggest things in narrow AI currently are machine learning, which means AI uses data to make rules for itself. For example, I give a machine learning AI that data that says humans can't live without food. Then it sets a rule that can't ever be changed that says humans can't live without food. And the second biggest thing in narrow AI currently is called deep learning, which basically means that the rules that the AI sets can be changed. Narrow learning or machine learning, you can't change the rules. Deep learning, you can change the rules. And according to Infocog, currently with deep learning and machine learning, we have been able to achieve this in technology and science. Human level image classification, near human level autonomous driving, near human level text translation, digital assistants like OK Google and Amazon Alexa, near human level speech recognition. All of these are current state of AI. Not the perfect form, but a small resemblance. Because of this, normal people like you can have AI in your pocket today. Now that we've discussed the history of AI and the current state of AI, let's discuss the future of AI. We don't know what the future of AI is going to be 100%, but we can predict what would happen using the current state of research. Doing this for AI is incredibly difficult because there is one big disagreement between researchers. Will it turn out good or will it turn out bad? Right now, there's a focus on achieving general AI. General AI is basically creating the perfect form of AI. After we create general AI, then there are two possibilities that researchers say they are. First, the good. According to Scoro, AI will benefit humankind. For example, computers will solve all problems known to human race, which sounds crazy when you think about it, but the perfect form of AI is much smarter than a normal human. For example, AI will be able to clean your house, take care of your kids, and educate them, which will give you time to do things that you enjoy. And now onto the bad. According to CNBC, AI could harm all of humanity. For example, AI can lead to mass unemployment. Because AI will be able to do a lot of things, anywhere from medicine to finance. Jobs like being an accountant and doctor will be less lucrative, according to entrepreneur.com, which shows us that if the perfect form of AI comes about, mass poverty could occur. The future of AI isn't 100% certain, but the innovation in the field is growing exponentially, and the future AI will 100% affect humanity. And now, in conclusion, AI has drastically changed over time, from the beginning its beginning to its current state onto its future. John McCarthy once said that it might take 5 to 500 years to have the perfect form of AI. And to his deathbed, he still believed that the perfect form of AI will eventually come about. Claudia Shannon once said, "I visualize a time where we are to robots what dogs are to human, and I'm rooting for the machines."